everyone, good morning. This is me Avishka and the bulletin today starts with Perplexity launches deep research for AI powered reports. WhatsApp rolls out custom chat themes for all users. Meta introduces Instagram teen account in India for safer online experience. Apple intelligence upgrade for Siri 2.0 may face delays due to bugs. Instagram test dislike button for comments to reduce toxicity. iQOO Neo 10R to launch in India on March 11 with Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. And at last, we have Vivo T4X 5G set to launch in India with a massive battery. In the previous quiz, we asked you who is the CEO of Intel, and the answer is Pat Gelsinger. It's time for a daily tech quiz. Yesterday's question: who is the CEO of HP? Confident you've got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below and tune in to tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you've nailed it. Stay tuned. Let's start with the first news. AI-powered search company Perplexity has introduced its deep research feature designed to assist users with in-depth research tasks. Launched on February 15 for the web, it will soon expand to Mac, iOS, and Android. This tool enables users to generate multi-step analysis reports with citations in fields like finance, marketing, and product development. These reports can be exported to PDFs or shared via Perplexity pages. In a benchmark testing, Perplexity Deep Research scored 21% on humanities last exam, outperforming Google's Gemini Thinking and OpenAI's GPT 4.0, but falling short of OpenAI's premium deep research tool. Unlike OpenAI's $200 monthly subscription, Perplexity offers a freemium model with limited free queries and unlimited access for subscribers. This tool also completes tasks under 3 minutes, which is a significant faster alternative than OpenAI. As AI-driven research tools become more competitive, Perplexity aims to provide fast, accessible, and cost-effective solutions for professionals. Now, WhatsApp has officially introduced customizable chat themes, allowing users to personalize their messaging experience. Previously available only to beta users, this feature is now rolling out to everyone. Users can choose from multiple theme colors for chat bubbles and backgrounds, adding a fresh look to their conversation. The update retains the dark mode option while offering preset themes or a mix and match of customizable for unique appearance. To change the chat theme, users can go to WhatsApp settings, chats, default chat theme, and select their preferred colors. WhatsApp also allows users to reset themes anytime. Alongside this update, the messaging platform is developing new AI tools, including dedicated tab for third-party apps and integrations. These enhancements aim to provide users with a more personalized and visually engaging chat experience. It will be available globally in coming weeks, enhancing WhatsApp's usability and customization options. Now, Meta has launched teen accounts on Instagram in India, aiming to create a safer and more age-appropriate experience for young users. These accounts come with enhanced policy settings, restricted interactions, and parental supervision features. By default, accounts for users under 16 are set to private, limiting who can follow, message, or interact with them. Additionally, teens will not be exposed to content promoting physical fights or cosmetic procedures. A new sleep mode feature will also activate between 10 p.m. to 7 a.m., encouraging healthier online habits. Meta has also introduced an age verification system to prevent minors from misinterpreting their age. Parents can monitor their child's Instagram activity, including who they have messaged in the past week, set daily time limits, and block access during specific hours. With these updates, Meta aims to ensure that young users engage safely on Instagram while giving parents greater control over their child's social media experience. Now, Apple's much-anticipated Siri 2.0 upgrade powered by Apple Intelligence may be delayed due to engineering and software issues. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, while iOS 18.4 beta is expected to roll out this week, the smarter Siri upgrade might take longer. Apple has promised to introduce Apple Intelligence in new languages in April by putting pressure on company to resolve the technical glitches quickly. Siri 2.0 aims to enhance user experience with features like personal context understanding, cross-app actions, and on-screen awareness. However, Gurman reports that these functionalities are facing performance challenges. Despite these setbacks, Apple is expected to release iOS 18.4 as scheduled. Though the AI-powered Siri enhancement may not be included in the initial rollout, iPhone users who have long awaited these advanced AI features may need to wait a little longer before experiencing the full capabilities of Siri 2.0. Instagram is now testing a new dislike button for comments on posts and reels, aiming to reduce offensive interaction. While the dislike count won't be publicly visible, it will influence comment rating, pushing down negative or unhelpful comments. Instagram head Adam Mosseri confirmed the feature on Threads, explaining that it allows users to privately express disapproval and foster a more positive comment section. The move is similar to YouTube's approach, which removed public dislike counts in 2021. The feature is currently being tested with a small group of users before a wider rollout. Additionally, Meta has introduced teen accounts in India with a stricter privacy setting, messaging restrictions, and parental controls to ensure a safer environment for young users. With these updates, Instagram continues its efforts to create a healthier social media experience by curbing negativity and enhancing user security. Now, iQOO has confirmed that its upcoming Neo 10R smartphone will debut in India on March 11. Positioned in the sub Rs 30,000 segment, the device promises flagship level performance, achieving the highest score in its category. The Neo 10R will feature Qualcomm Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 chipset built on 4nm processor and support 80-watt fast charging. The device is expected to launch in two color variants, Moon Night Titanium and Ranging Blue. The latter will be exclusively available in India. While the exact date is yet to be disclosed, it will be available on Amazon India and iQOO's official store. Leaks suggest that the smartphone may spot a 6.78-inch OLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate and a 50MP Sony Lit 600 primary sensor and an 8MP ultra-wide lens. With powerful hardware and premium features, the iQOO Neo 10R is set to be a strong contender in the mid-range segment. Last but not the least, Vivo is gearing up to launch the T4X 5G in India, with teasers hitting at an imminent launch in March. While the official launch date remains undisclosed, the smartphone will be available via Flipkart, Vivo's website, and retail stores. A key highlight of the Vivo T4X 5G is its massive battery, reportedly a 6500 mAh unit, making it one of the largest in its price segment, which is expected to be under Rs 15,000. The device is rumored to feature a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor, promising a significant performance boost. Additionally, leaks suggest it may include a dynamic light feature near the camera module, similar to the Vivo Y58. The T4X 5G will be available in two color variants, Pronto Purple and Marine Blue. As anticipation builds, Vivo is expected to confirm the full specification and pricing details in the coming weeks, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers looking for high-performance device. This was it for today's news. For more such tech updates, make sure to stay tuned to IT Voice.